We took 2 asphalt parking lots and we put multifamily residents on them within a transit-rich environment, very much utilizing some of those thoughts and strategies to densify urban cores as we're trying to solve the climate change issue that we're in right now.
It's 2 separate buildings that act as one asset, one living building, but really 2 separate buildings. I think that's unique. It was designed that way, it was intentional. It made it a little challenging on the construction. We had 1 tower crane for both buildings, which was one of the first times that's happened in the city. As a result, though, you have these kind of really organic relationship between both buildings.
We have 2 different products within one development that we can offer. Both buildings are contemporary. We have the 751 building utilizing kind of this metal skin, and then we have the 411 building utilizing masonry for the entire building. And as well, the 751 units are a little bit smaller than the 411, but it allows tenants really to be able to scale up and stay within the neighborhood.
Some unique things about HUGO from the construction standpoint, we do not have the traditional high-rise window wall systems that you see, commonplace around the market. We have these really nice metal panel facade systems, brick features, and window systems, as well as a large quantity of outdoor areas, balconies for the units. We have more outdoor space than on a per unit basis than any building in this market. And we have double the amenities if you think about it. You have 2 fitness rooms, you have 2 rooftop patios, huge outdoor terraces, and really landscaped to the brim to kind of bring it all together and create a lot of unique spaces.
Coming out of COVID, we had to think about how people were living differently, and we had to pivot in order to do that, not only in terms of the planning aspects, the finishes, but there were sustainability issues as well, as we're needing to provide that NGBS certification, which wasn't originally embedded into the building.
We built this project through a very inflationary environment. And because both teams were working under one roof, we were able to really collaborate, problem solve, expedite decision making, and we really limited our cost and subcontractor manpower issues as a team versus the traditional marketplace.
We're creating home for people in an urban environment. These are really functional spaces for thinking of the residents, really for the residents, what they need in this new environment that we're in, this post-COVID environment, rethinking about what does it mean to live, play, and relax.